Hello, moneymakers. We are back with a new course to make money through motion graphic reels like this. Look at this page. They have created 174 posts and gained 262k followers on Instagram. Wow! Isn't it amazing? They have just repurposed the motion graphics by adding stock footage and some magical editing style through which they have created this Instagram theme page, and I assume they would be making over $10,000 a month. In this video, I will teach you to create such reels and post them on Instagram to make money. You know what? This is a secret niche which very little people knows. So I would recommend you to act on it now and get first mover advantage. You can also create many digital products and sell services through your Instagram page as well, just like this page is doing. Don't worry at all. Your AI Maskman will cover that as well in this video in the end. This will be a complete package of knowledge and not just random information like other channels post. Oh wait, do you know the difference between information and knowledge? Sharing information means sharing the data and step-by-step process like a tutorial, while knowledge means having an experience to use the data and information. On this channel, we share knowledge to our viewers and not just information. All right, enough of bragging. Let's get into the business. Look at this reel. As you can see, they repurposed animations reels by changing backgrounds or audios. Now I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the same. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is find multiple Instagram pages that posted motion graphics reels. For this, search for visuals in the search bar, and you will find many pages like this. Now, pick one video with black backgrounds, or you can combine 2 to 3 motion graphics in one reel. After that, to download the video, copy the video link and open Inflact Instagram Video Downloader. Choose Reels from the available options, paste the link, and download it. By this way, you can download many videos for your content. All right. Now the second step is to find a background video. As you can see, they are using motion graphics along with luxury, nature, and buildings as backgrounds in their videos. You can find these types of videos on free stock footage websites like Pexels or Pixabay. Open Pexels, type luxurious in the search bar or anything you want to add. Then click on Filter and choose Vertical from the options. Choose the ones you like and download them. Alternatively, if you have a Canva Pro subscription, you can find lots of stock footage to use in your videos. All right, now you have 2 ways to proceed further from here. First one will be using the same voiceover which we downloaded from Instagram and repurpose it, or the second option is to create a new voiceover and quotes using AI. I will teach you both ways and you can decide your own. For now, we are creating our own script and voiceovers. In the later part, we will also share how you can use the same voice and script as well. Now, the next step is to find motivational quotes. For this, let's ask ChatGPT to write 3 lines of motivational quotes on being focused in simple English. The motion graphics I will use for this video are about being focused. Therefore, I am asking ChatGPT for focused motivational quotes. If you chose motion graphics about productivity, then ask ChatGPT about productivity quotes. The same goes for stock footage. Use similar stock footage that aligns with the motion graphics. Now in the next step, we need a voiceover. For this, you can use any voiceover tool. I prefer 11 Labs because it has human-like realistic voices. We have mentioned the link in the description if you want to use them. Choosing the correct type of voice is very important as it will give a much better video quality and people will connect more on your videos. Copy the text, open 11 Labs, click on the voice library, click on Filter, and choose Old from the options. Here you will find many deep voices which you can use for your motivational videos. We have committed the golden rule.
So is cheerfulness, or a good temper, the more it is spent.
It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well.
I will go with this. Let's add this voice to our voice lab. Now paste the quote and click on Generate.
Stay focused on your goals like a laser beam.
Perfect. Let's download this. Now the last step is to edit the video. For this, I will use CapCut, a free desktop app. You can choose any editor of your choice. Just make sure to follow the upcoming steps properly. Open CapCut and click on New Project. Import all the motion graphics videos. background clips, and voiceover into CapCut. Drag the voiceover track into the timeline. Set all the background video clips as per the audio. Make sure to remove audio from each clips. Now I'm going to show you an amazing trick that takes your video to another level. To give a dark and ambitious look to your video, follow these steps. For this, choose a video clip and click on Adjustment. Follow the same steps for the remaining clips. After that, drag the motion graphic video and drop it on the upper layer. Then to remove the background, go to Blend and choose Scree from the available options. As we can see, our background is completely removed from this animation. Here, I will combine 3 motion graphics videos. If you want to make your video even more unique than the original, I will show you another trick that takes the video one step further. Choose the animation video, click on Adjustment, and press on the curve. By stretching this curve, the animation will change color, and it will turn into red, blue, or green. So play with it and create your video to be something unique. This way, your video will not actually look like a repurposed video. Now, if you follow the second method in which you will add another voiceover track, mute the animation clip completely. If you would like to proceed with the first option, which is using the same voiceover from the clip, then don't mute it and use the same voiceover and music. If you have any doubts in both methods, comment below and we will guide you. After that, you can also add effects and filters to make your video more attractive. And the last thing we need to add is background music. If you are going to post this video on Instagram, this is crucial because adding trending music will boost your video or reels to the next level. And to find trending music, open Instagram, search for motivation, click on audio, and you will find many audios that are trending on Instagram. Choose one of them. As we can see, this audio will be used in 3,521K reels, so it's clear that this audio is trending and working for many accounts. Now, you can directly add this audio by clicking on Use Audio. Or if you want to add it perfectly to your video, download a video that has the same music and import it into CapCut. Add it to the timeline, choose Extract Audio from here, then delete the video and use this audio in your video. But as of now, I will use another audio for the copyright issue on YouTube. After edit all the things, click on Export and download in your computer. So, till now you have understood the creation process of such videos. Now I will share how you can monetize such Instagram pages. The first way would be through selling a digital product like an ebook or course. You can create an ebook with the help of ChatGPT and sell it to your audience. Moreover, you can take projects from clients for motion graphics. They can pay you a nice amount for such work. All you need to do is go to Fiverr or Upwork and outsource it to them and take a cut as your commission. For an example, if you charge your client $500 for a motion graphic project, you can outsource it for $250 to someone and get $250 as a commission without even doing the work. Isn't it awesome? Let me know in the comments as how you would monetize such pages. Peace. Now let's have a look to our video.
Stay focused on your goals like a laser beam cutting through distractions. In the tunnel of determination, find the light of success. Concentrate on your journey and watch the path to achievement unfold before you.
If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.